Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking after the... So if you want to know how I created this look, then please don't forget to watch this video. Before that, let me tell you that this makeup is made because of my next painting, which is called the Giant Tree. So if you want to see that video, then don't forget to see the link which is given below. And further ado, let's go and watch the makeup video.
So these are the pictures I took it after my makeup, and this is the look it has come up, and these are all the pictures I will have on Instagram. So let's get started with the makeup. Before I start the makeup, let me tell you this is the band I cut today, and the video is already uploaded in my channel, so please go and check it. For makeup today, we are going to use the base vitamin C, and this vitamin C is really good for your skin. And before makeup is boom. This is the Garnier moisturizer cream, and it's a winter cream. It's a beautiful cream. It just glides on smoothly. It is good for oily, dry, all skin types, and smells really beautiful, really nicely. Just blend it out all together, and it just gives you smooth effect. This is the Makeup Revolution stick foundation in the shade FC, and this shade suits me really good, and this is a real dewy foundation. You can see that glow over my skin, and it blends beautifully. I have taken a kabuki brush and I am just blending it really smoothly. And also don't forget to blend it on your neck, guys, because neck and face we don't want to differ it. So I just want to tell about this haircut. So when you do this haircut, you don't need to do blow dry or anything like that. It sets beautifully, and this bands will take you all long, and I have not set it with any dry or anything. So please do see it, please do see, and also cut your hair. And whenever you cut your hair, be safe and don't cut your fingers and all that. Okay, so I'm just blending this, and just blend it really beautifully, smoothly. Take your time and take your a minute of time and blend it really nicely, because when the base is perfect, everything is perfect. That's the thing, that's the key, what I feel like. And now I'm blending it with my beauty blender, and I do it all of the time. So this is the makeup with one eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow palette I have taken from Maybelline, and this was like from so long it was there with me. And this is the dark brownie shade, because it has a little bit of glitters in it, and this is a beautiful shadow. And Maybelline makes really good eyeshadows, so like better eyeshadows you can say, because I have seen so many other eyeshadow palettes which are more great than them, but they make quite good, and even though in an affordable range. That is the main thing. So same thing I'm going to apply on my lid, and I'm taking a little bit of black and just applying outer corners. Just applied outer corners, and just tap 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 tap. Don't blend it, because we just want that nice smoke out look. And you can just pat it, and you can just move it around your lid. And same way for the other lid, I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to tap 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 tap, and I'm just going to cover up all over on my lid. So next I'm going to use the shimmery shade. It has a glitter in it, so I'm going to, wow, it looks so beautiful. You can see it, and in the center of the lid I'm adding it. And now I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer, Fit Me concealer. Shade is fair, and I'm using this concealer, and just blend it with my beauty blender, and just blend it very smoothly. And if you think it's not blending, then you can use your spray. Now I'm telling you that I use baby powder. So many people are asking me, really, do you use? So I'm just showing you in front of you that I have taken in my hands, and I'm just using it, applying it on my under of my eyes. See, again I'm taking it, and that's real. It feels like that baby powders, it works for me personally, and it doesn't dry me out. So now I'm taking the center shade, which is a little bit of bronzy shade, So just apply it under your eyelid and just smudge it and just blend it really nicely. And this is a pencil brush I have taken. And okay guys, if you want to see any of my brushes collection, makeup brushes collections, then please let me know. I love to show you guys. And also if you want to know my eyeshadow palette connections, then please let me know. So it will be mean lot to me. So now I'm just dusting all the powder out and just blend it over your full face and the leftover powder. Now just use your setting spray, smashbox, smashbox, smashbox. So just spray it all over your face. Just fan dry it. I just blow it with my hands and just dab it with the beauty blender. Now I'm taking a cream blush and I'm just going to put on my cheeks and just blend it. This is from Maybelline and it's really nice. It's smooth in texture. It is a cream blush and I'm just going to apply it over my cheeks. And today I'm going to apply it like contour because I just want a rosy effect all over my face, because my dress code is a little bit of darker and dull shade, so I just want to give that pop on my skin. So just blend it properly. It doesn't need any efforts to blend a cream blush, but you don't need any patchy, so just blend it really nicely. Now I'm going to set it up with the star blush, which is in a powder base with the same shade. So just set it up. Now I'm going to take the makeup revolution stick, contour stick, and this comes with 2 shades. I'm just contouring my nose with that brush, and now I'm going to contour my face, my jawline, nose, everywhere, and I'm just going to blend. Everything blending is so important in makeup, so please do blend guys, because if you don't blend the makeup, it will just feel like everything is patchy, it's not smooth enough, and you don't want that to look afterwards. And so I'm just doing my jawline also, and I'm just blending it really nicely. So this is a normal to medium skin tone. It comes in 3 shades, so this is medium to dark. So if you're a fairer skin, then please take medium to dark, and if you are dark, then take a darkest one to contour. So now I'm going to add the eyeliner, which is Lucy eyeliner. It's from Amazon. Every day I use the same thing. And now I'm going to take my highlighter from Maybelline Master Chrome and just going to highlight my highlighted areas. Just blend it. I'm just using a stippling brush, so just blend it properly, and also do use for the inner corners and just blend it properly. Blending is a beautiful key to your makeup. That's the key. So now I'm going to use the matte lipstick. It is from Clay Crush, ranges creamy matte, and this is the final look, and I love the look. I just love the look, how it has come. And I've just sprayed it. I just sprayed the Smashbox, and I'm just going to damp it with my beauty blender. And this is the final look, how it looks. I hope it looks beautiful to you also guys, and I love it so much. And thank you for watching this video. Please do like my videos, comment below if you have any queries about it, and also subscribe to my channel. It means a really lot to me. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.